Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here to my channel, I love making DIY fashion clothes and sewing tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I have a new video. So for today's episode, I'm gonna show you how I made a tulle skirt for the Halloween costume of my baby. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get started. Here's the following material you need to have for making a tutu skirt: tulle fabric, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, tailoring chalk, elastic band, thread and needle. First, cut the piece of elastic band that will fit snug around your waistline. Then sew the two ends on the top of each other and sew them into the place with the thread and needle. And it should be look like this. Next, take the tulle fabric, fold it and measure how long you want your skirt to be. For my baby is from her waistline to her ankle, and add 3 cm. And measure how wide you want your strip to be, and for my baby is 20 cm width. You're just going to keep doing that for all the tulle fabric you basically have. Keep cutting the same size of strips. Now we got all the strips and waistband. All that's left to do is to put the two together. Put the waistband around your waist, a mannequin, a chair, or anywhere that will make it easy for you to attach your tulle strips. Next, put the loop behind the waistband. Take the ends of your tulle and pull it through the loop you just created, then pull it tight. Repeat this step from all your tulle strips. And it should be look like this. Et voila! And here's the finished product.